This is oxytocin. Oxytocin is affectionately known as the love hormone. According to the Cleveland Clinic in 2022, oxytocin is the hormone responsible for regulating parts of the reproductive system in both females and males, but it also influences behavior. Oxytocin's effects contribute to romantic and parental bonding, as well as trust, recognition, and sexual arousal. Oxytocin is also a big part of human-animal bonds. Both dogs and their owners experience increased oxytocin levels when they interact. Oxytocin can cause health problems in rare cases when someone has too much. If oxytocin levels are elevated above normal ranges, females may experience problems getting pregnant, and males may have chronic prostate issues. People can also experience health problems if they have too little oxytocin. Low levels can lead to issues during childbirth, depression, and other mental health problems. It can also impact someone's ability to form attachments to others. Studies have shown that prairie voles with high levels of oxytocin and similar molecules were more monogamous, while ones with low levels were more promiscuous, preferring many partners. We've seen some of oxytocin's effects, so now we'll talk about how this molecule works in the body. Oxytocin is produced in the hypothalamus of the brain and distributed by the pituitary gland. Like other hormones, it travels through the blood and interacts with many different cells in the body. Unlike most other hormones, oxytocin is controlled with a positive feedback loop, meaning that its effects trigger the release of more oxytocin. For example, oxytocin causes uterine contractions during childbirth. Synthetic oxytocin is given to women to induce labor before it starts naturally or just to increase contractions sooner. Pressure created by contractions, whether naturally started or induced, triggers the release of more of the hormone, causing contractions to continue and intensify. Oxytocin's other effects, like attachment and behavioral changes, are caused by signaling between cells in the brain. According to Creative Diagnostics, oxytocin binds to oxytocin receptors in brain cells. These receptors let calcium into the cell, leading to voltage changes and possible signaling between cells. This signaling in the brain is the basis for the emotions we feel from oxytocin. So, when you're feeling happy after petting your dog or hugging a loved one, know that oxytocin is behind most of it.